All right, so one thing that we deal with as marketers is trying to understand why different people in the same situation will make different decisions. In other words, why does a consumer in a certain purchase situation buy our product when another one makes a different choice and buys a different product? Well, one of the things that contributes to this is what's called learning. We've all heard of learning. You're trying to do it right now. But that doesn't mean we fully understand what learning means. So let's look at the definition. The definition we have here for learning is a change in behavior or thinking due to experience. So when you think of learning in terms of your schoolwork, the change in behavior is knowing the right answer. If things go well anyway. In terms of our day-to-day experience, we learn from our experiences that happen. If something good happens, we learn whatever we did to create that good thing, we should do that again. If something bad happens, hopefully we learn we shouldn't do that again unless for some reason we like the bad outcome. So learning also contributes to the purchase decisions we make. It can be direct or indirect, meaning we can learn from our own experience, or we can learn by somebody else's experience in the case of indirect learning. That's really good if you can do that. That will help you out in life, but it also is a great way to avoid bad purchases. Next, we have a factor about learning that we need to consider, which is reinforcement is a very positive thing. This is why in school you study things and review and study more until it all sinks in. Well, as marketers, we need to make sure there's plenty of reinforcement to the messages that we put out there so that we can create trust or confidence in the consumer's mind. Another interesting thing about learning is that the attitudes and beliefs that we develop through learning, these help to set our expectations. So think about it this way. If we have the experience of buying a product and we learn that that product is reliable, that's our new attitude that we develop, then our expectation is it will continue to be reliable or it will work every time we need it to. So that's sort of how learning works and how learning fits into our decision making as consumers. As marketers, it helps us to understand this in order to be successful with promoting our products and creating products that meet customer needs.